Alright, hello guys, welcome to the How to Fold a series. Okay, right, so in this video I'll be showing you how you fold a samurai helmet and a simple swan. Okay, so I have my papers beside me. Let's first fold this samurai helmet. Now this is pretty easy. The piece of paper I have here is orange on this side, green on this side, so I think we should make the helmet orange. So, okay, now flip it on the white side up. Now fold it in half diagonal. Diagonal. Right, now we have a triangle like that. Now, we fold the triangles up. So we turn it into a square. Right. Now, we turn it around so the fluffy bits are facing up like this. So now we fold them up. Flappy bits up. Now we still have a square now. Okay. Now what we have to do is we fold sort of a angle to make spikes coming out of the helmet. So make sure that it's a proper straight angle, just like that. And then do it on the other side. Make sure that the tops of the spikes are lining up like that. Now we fold the bottom flap up, and now change the colour into the white colour, but this time our colour is green. So now we fold it up just as much as we want it, not too far up, just to cover the spikes a bit. That's good. And we need two small triangles like that. Now we fold the two small triangles up to make a band. It doesn't have to be a big band, there's just a small band. Now, nearly complete. Now let's just under the flap here, we just sort of fold it so now it's all out to straighten it. Now it looks sort of like a fish. Now we have something that looks like this. Now I still have this big flap out the side here. So what we need to do is just stick it inside of the helmet. Make sure it's all folded up completely inside the helmet. And we good. Okay, now we put it into 3D and there we go. It's a samurai helmet. You can put it in your head too. I'm gonna put it on my head. It's too small. Okay, now the next thing I want to show you how to make is a simple swan. So, right, better do this quick. The camera's running out of battery, even though I just charged it. So, to make this swan, I'm choosing pink because now there's pink side here. So, flip it over to the white side. Alright, first thing that we have to do is fold it on the diagonal like that. So we get the triangle again. Now we unfold it. Now we form a kite base. Now it sort of looks like a kite. We fold it on an angle until the edge hits the small guideline that we got. We put it on both sides. Now it doesn't matter if one side is more higher than the other because We just need a tip like that. And alright, now flip it over and make a kite base on the other side. So just like this. Like that. There we go. Now it changes colour when we do this too. Okay, right. Now what we need to do is fold the tip all the way up to the top of the model. It's going to be the neck of the swan. Now fold the other tip down as far as we want the head. Now we fold the model in half. Like that, not like that. Back. So now it looks like that. Now what we need to do is fold the neck up. So we just sort of pull it up till it's standing up a bit slumped. So there we go. Now we pull the head up and we're done. One swan. It's very simple because it's the simple swan. What? Swanny swan. Now you can make as much as you want of these. Now I will be making more origami models in the future. So as I always say, goodbye guys.